Frost Dragon. I have been really looking for a Neon Frost Dragon, but unfortunately I have not been able to find one that's like for a good trade. So we're just going to be looking for those two things. So I'm going to ask anyone if they have one. I'm not sure if people will answer or not, but we're going to try that. And so after that, I'm going to drive to town because usually there's like a lot of people with gifts that's trading. I don't know if the server's going to have a lot of people because I don't really see that many people here. But we're going to try and trade people. Hopefully they will have an ice cream truck. I'm not seeing one here. Usually people have them here with the music on. But I'm not seeing one right now. So I'm leaving the server right now. As you seen, I'm leaving it. And I'm going to find another server. Now if you're watching this, I was going to cut it out, but I didn't. But I was trying to find servers there. And unfortunately, all the ones that I was trying to go to, which like looked like they had people with Robux in it, they had no one. And I could just get my own ice cream truck, but I have a bunch of pets and cars I want to get rid of, so we're going to try to trade for that. But you can skip this part if you want. I went to a few servers. Unfortunately, the servers were full. And so finally, I just let Roblox pick it for me. Which, that was actually pretty good because there was a bunch of people there with ice cream trucks, as you'll see in a minute. So, that one's full also. And as I'm doing the voiceover here, I noticed that I could have just done that the whole entire time, but I never did that. Which kind of is crazy because that's what I always do. Sometimes I do go on private servers. I don't have a private server right now. I did, but I don't right now. I'll have to get that back. So we're loading in right now. Hopefully someone has an ice cream truck or something, which they do, as I told you. So as we're logging in now, I'm in my house. I'm not wasting my time and going closer to the gift store, and I can just teleport. And I still have my Christmas tree up. Unfortunately, you can't get rid of it, which is weird. But you can't get rid of it. Like, you can't sell it or anything, which is weird. So, see, there's people up here, and it says, ABC if you have an ice cream truck for trade. I did not do that because I already seen all those other ice cream trucks there. And as you see, there's the Neon Shadow Dragon. I mean, not Shadow Dragon, Frost Dragon there. And I don't remember if I traded that person or not, but we will see that in a minute. I might have. And for this person, I just traded the same thing. I mean, that was a really good trade. But unfortunately, she did not give me the ice cream truck, which was kind of sad. But these are not all my pets, so leave a comment down below if you want me to get all my pets, because I have 2 accounts right now, and I like split half the pets there. So most of my legendaries are on my other account, which I could be trading legendaries for the ice cream truck, but I'm trying to make neons. So I tried to trade that girl for a Fly-Ride Arctic Reindeer for her neon blue dog, but unfortunately she did not like that trade. I only have 1 blue dog, which is kind of sad. I was not on Adopt Me or on Roblox at all for the Easter thing because I did not have Roblox then, but I did for the Halloween event, and I have all of those pets. And I did, soon after I was trading these people, get out my Shadow Dragon, because most people don't trade if they see you have that out, which I did learn. I had no idea whose ice cream truck that was because people were all around it, and I thought it was theirs, so I kept trading these people, and that was not their ice cream truck, and that's why I checked that little license plate down there. And so as I'm going around, that neon parrot is beautiful. I only have 1 parrot, which is on my other account, because I started Roblox late, and now I'm asking who has an ice cream truck, because I'm desperate right now because no one is trading me. and these people are like wanting frost dragons and stuff like that. But I did have a neon frost dragon. I traded it for 4 reindeers. I have 2 on this account and 2 on another account. I don't know why I didn't just keep it on the same account, but I didn't. I like to split them up because me and my cousin, we share accounts. So like I put half of those on her for her to play and half on here. And we made neons. We did have a neon uni, but I traded it. So yeah. But as I'm trading that now, I think I'm looking for the neon shadow dragon now. I'm pretty sure. And this girl wanted a shadow dragon for 3 dragons and a uni, and I was gonna give it to her, but she never answered back. So, and then when I tried to do it again, it would not do it. So I guess she left the game. But there's a bunch of people around here, and I'm making a neon king bee, but I'll get on my other account for the next video, and I'll try to switch them on there, my regular account. But as you see, there's a bunch of people here, and y'all might consider this video a fail, and it pretty much is. But it's fun to watch to see what people like want for an ice cream truck, because I had no idea. They're both legendaries, and I was gonna give like a legendary pet, but I tried to give the Ridefly reindeer in one of my past videos that has not been uploaded yet, and they did not accept, so I had no idea what they wanted. So as I'm right here, got up my shadow dragon, hopefully to get some more trades than what I was getting. Did get a few trades after this, and then here where all the people came out. Like there was neon shadow frost dragons everywhere, and I was giving pretty good trades for them, and I did not like that trade because I already had that. And you can't get a shadow dragon. Shadow dragon no more. I did not like that trade either. I was hoping for like that deal that girl had said, but I'd never seen her anymore after that. So I was just waiting to see if she would come to the gifts, but she never came because she must have left the game. And that was not a good trade at all because I have so many otters and I just did not want no more. And that's one of my 2 shadow dragons, and I want to try to make a neon, but I have not found no one that is willing to trade a shadow dragon for the queen bee yet. So I declined that trade. Also trading frost dragon Ridefly for neon legendary pet Ridefly. That is a bad trade. I've done that trade before. It was like first when I was trying to make a neon fly ride frost dragon, I traded a neon ride fly dragon, and I kind of regret that, but that's how I got that Ridefly reindeer. It was because of the frost dragon, so I'm kind of happy about that. But as you're seeing right now, there's someone there with a neon shadow dragon, and I was so jealous because I really want one, but unfortunately I have not been able to find people to trade it. So as you see, I'm trying to trade this girl for her ice cream truck. Unfortunately, she did decline. So she did decline, and I'm not seeing any more people with an ice cream truck during that time. So I did trade that person with the neon frost dragon. I don't know if they accepted or not. Yeah, they did. And then I gave them the 2 reindeers, and they did not give me a chance to add, which was kind of rude because I was going to give them 2 king bees also. But I guess they did not like that trade, even though king bees are really hard to get. I seriously spent like over 5,000 Robux for trying to get those 2 king bees. And I thought that was a pretty good trade, but I doubt the I don't think they. I did not get a chance to accept, but I did try to trade that girl with the parrot, but I don't know if she accepted or not. I'll say that in a minute. There's so many people with neon and frost dragons here. did not want to waste my time on trying to get it because most people won't trade it. So I did not waste my time on trying to get that. And right over here, kind of tired of it. This was not really a long video because I did not really get any more trades. But maybe when I get my other legendary vehicles on my other account, maybe I could try to get it. And the girl with the parrot did accept, but